Good morning. I am Jarnail Singh, and today I am telling something about Kanthapura. You know, literature is the reflection of society, and Kanthapura is a special novel. It is a piece of work, of art. It is a masterpiece of Rajarao. The novel narrates the long battle and how it was fought by the masses during the colonial period. The language section of the book has been designed to help the student in a good way. If you see Kanthapura, there are so many characters: Achakka, Sinnu, Murthy, Narsamma, Rangamma, Venkamma, Ratan, Bhatt. So there are so many powerful characters in this novel. So this novel is a very powerful novel by Raja Rao. You should read chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this novel Kanthapura. You have read about Indian English novel also. Indian English novel is not a type of novel, but it is a term that we apply to the novels that have been written by Indians in English. Indian English novel are mainly divided in three major groups. First groups include novels like Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Raj Mohan's Wife 1864 and Raj Lakshmi Devi's The Hindu Wife 1876. The second group emerged the big writer Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao, Bhavani Bhattacharya, Manohar Malgaonkar, Kamala Markanda, Anita Desai, and so many writers. Raja Rao's Kanthapura is also a representative product of this area. The third group includes writers Salman Rushdie, Amitav Ghosh, Jhumpa Lahiri, Anita Desai, Bharti Mukherjee, Rohinton Mistry, Kiran Desai, and so many writers. So, Indian English novel is characteristic of Indian specific content where the story, characters, theme are written by Indian writers in English. Kanthapura, published in 1938. Rajarao Kanthapura is a path-breaking novel. The novel has Gandhian element and Kanthapura has all the signifiers of post-colonial text. It is a post-colonial text. Kanthapura is a post-colonial text. And you know the discovery of India. Nehru writes, Gandhi was like a powerful current of fresh air that made us stretch ourselves and take deep breath. So this is a very powerful novel. You have read chapter 7 also. You have read chapter 9 also. And Bhatt takes a lead in arresting Murthy and Patel Rangauda's attempts to effect the village Congress committee. Murthy was in favor to make a village Congress committee, and Patel Rangauda's helps him a lot. He is a revenue officer in Kanthapura. He is a government official. He forms a group of people against it, and Congress committee joined by many peoples, many, but knows that the rate of interest is one thing that every village commoner remains worried about, and thus he plays this card to stop people from joining the village congress. But knows that Venkamma is an important figure in this mission, stalling that village level Congress committee. It is because of her aggressive and gregarious nature and her capacity to arrange in verbal duel that Bud does not want to lose her, and thus decide to get her daughter married to some suitable man so that she remains under his thumb. So you should read chapter number 9. It's also a very good chapter. Chapter number 9 you have read. Chapter number 8 also, Kantapura is a unique work of fiction. And chapter number 9 you should read the action of the novel further intensity as the formation of village congress committees, and it is unanimously made committees formed unanimously with Murthy as president, Rang Govda as protector, and Rangamma, Ranchanna and Simu as members. So Kantapura is a very good novel. The novel is written by Raja Rao. This novel was published in 1938 when there were so many writers like Mulk Raj Anand, who wrote Untouchable, Coolie, and R.K. Narayan's Bachelor of Art, The Guide. Thank you.